Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making banana omelette cake. A thin and fluffy sponge cake round is folded in half like an omelette with a whole banana and whipped cream inside. It's a nostalgic dessert for us that was popular in 1960s to 80s in Japan, but you can still buy this at supermarkets and convenience stores there. These are the ingredients. The sponge is similar to chiffon cake and pretty basic. If you don't like bananas, you can use strawberries or any other fruit of your choice. For exact measurement and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's begin. Separate eggs into yolks and whites in two different bowls. In another bowl, mix cake flour and baking powder and whisk. In a bowl with the egg yolks, add half of the sugar, the flour mixture, water, and oil. Whisk very well until the sugar has dissolved completely, and set aside. In a bowl with the egg whites, add the other half of the sugar slowly while whipping with the electric hand mixer to make meringue. Whip until stiff peaks form. Take some of the meringue, add to the yolk mixture, and mix. Add the rest of the meringue in two batches. Fold gently to mix, taking care not to deflate the form in the batter. Add the rest, and gently fold. We are going to cook this on the stove. Heat a frying pan at low heat, place a parchment paper cut into 7-inch round, and pour half of the batter on it. With this recipe, you can make 2 omelettes. Cover and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Place another parchment paper round on top of the batter like that. Use a spatula to carefully turn over. Cover and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Remove from the pan and let cool for a few minutes. After the cake is cooled but still a little bit warm, remove the parchment paper. Fold the cake gently in half without breaking. Wrap with plastic to hold the shape. Now we are going to make the filling. Whip heavy cream with sugar to form medium to stiff peaks, and transfer to a piping bag. Cut off the ends of the bananas and peel. Now we are going to assemble. Pipe a line of whipped cream in the middle of the cake. Place a banana on the cream, and pipe more cream next to the banana like that. Sprinkle powdered sugar on top if you like. You can eat it as a whole or cut in half to share. We cooked in a pan, but this is not a pancake. It's soft and fluffy. It tastes like a fancy dessert. Get all the ingredients ready and give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。